So the first thing you'll see after you sign up for RacerPage is this, and this is the RacerPage admin area. The admin area is where you manage the content for your site, manage your RacerPage account, and any other settings that might be associated with your website. On the top, you can see we have what's called the admin bar. This gives you a quick link to view the front end of your site. That's what the visitors see when they go to your website. Of course, they won't see the admin bar on the top. And to go back to the admin area, we can just click here. The dashboard is the first screen here in the admin area. It kind of gives you a 10,000 foot view of your RacerPage. You have one post, 4 pages. Here's the total storage space allowed. You've used this much of it. This is some recent activity that's happened on the site. Under the dashboard, we have menu items that let us access pages, posts, schedules, sponsors, media. This is where we can add and edit these different types of content, and we'll look at each of these in their own videos. Under that's appearance, which is where we would edit the look and feel of our RacerPage, and settings let us change some settings on our RacerPage. To manage our RacerPage account, we can access the account link up here, and from here we could update our payment method, change our subscription, cancel our subscription, or even view past receipts, and clicking this link will bring us back to our RacerPage. We can also edit our profile from here. This is where we would change our name, the way the name is publicly displayed on the website, email address, generate a new password, all that's in the profile screen. So now let's look at how to actually add and edit the different types of content.